So welcome to today's video, which is about how long before your dental website starts ranking on Google, right? How long before a dental website gets patients from Google using SEO, essentially, from Oral Web Studios. My name is Amu from Oral Web Studios, where we help dentists and oral surgeons look more credible and gain patients through specialized custom built websites. And in today's video, we will explain a realistic timeline of how long before your dental website starts generating patients through SEO, right, which is search engine optimization. One of the first questions dentists like asking regarding SEO is how long will it take before my website starts ranking, right, on Google? And honestly, it takes time, right? There are a lot of different factors uh, at play. But today, we will give you a realistic timeline so you know what to expect from your new dental website. Most dental websites start to see early rankings in about 3 to 4 months, right? That's when you start seeing a little traction. And then more competitive rankings about 6 to 12 months. So it's something that takes a couple months for you to start seeing actual results in terms of getting new patients. And a strong ranking can take a year or longer, but the timeline depends on several important factors, right? Which we will get into. So let's go through what actually affects how fast a dental website ranks. Number one, website quality. The first factor is website quality itself. Google prefers websites that are fast, mobile friendly, well structured, clear, and professional, right? And this is something especially well structured. This point, the third point over here, is something a lot of practice owners don't really look at when getting a website for their practice. Many dental websites struggle to rank simply because were built. Many dental websites struggle to rank simply because their websites weren't built with SEO in mind, right? Thin treatment pages and poor structure can slow rankings significantly. So you need to structure your website well, meaning the sections in your website, right? And basically how uh, your patient goes through the website, and also treatment pages. So your procedure pages. Your procedure pages aren't just there to explain the procedure to your potential patient or a visitor going through your website, but they're also there for SEO. They help build SEO, and they help in how SEO works now in terms of AI as well, right? Which is a video we made before this one. So, a well built dental website can rank much faster than a poorly built one. So, make sure that your website is well built for SEO. Number two, competition level. The next factor is ranking in your area. Ranking in a small town is usually much easier than ranking in a major town, right? Because obviously, if you're in a small town, that you don't have that much competition, and if you're in a major city, you have a lot of competition, and they probably have had their website up and doing SEO for a really long time, right? So, for example, a dentist in a small town might rank in a few months, and a dentist in a competitive city can take longer, right? So, number 3, domain age. Newer domains usually take time to build trust with Google, right? So Google wants to see that a website is legitimate and consistent, and an older dental website often ranks faster than a newer one. So newer websites are not penalized, they just need time to build trust, right? But if it's the case for you that you only need help with SEO, but you've had a website for months or even years, then your domain has already built trust with Google. So that's not a problem for you, right? You just need to fix your website, maybe update it if it's outdated, maybe switch up the SEO, and it'll basically improve in performance, right? You don't have to deal with the domain age sort of thing if you've had your website up for months or even years. You just need to improve your SEO or update your website, and basically it'll start getting results for you. But if you have a new website and you get a new domain, then just the quicker you set your website and publish it, the faster it can start basically building trust with Google. Number 4, AI and modern SEO. Like I mentioned earlier, we did a video last about how AI impacts your SEO, right? Which is in more detail than this. So there's another factor that's becoming increasingly important: AI search. Modern dental websites don't just need to rank, they need to be understood by AI systems. Google now reads websites and generates answers for patients. So it reads your website and generates answers for people searching on Google using websites that are already on Google, right? So it could be your website. And then it'll source or cite your website as well. So that is how you can use AI in your advantage in terms of SEO. So if your website clearly answers patient questions, it has a much better chance of being used as a source by AI. If you'd like to see that video about AI and SEO, you can watch the previous video before this one, right? Or we'll link it in the description. Realistic month-to-month timeline. In the first 1 or 2 months, Google discovers and indexes the new website. Rankings may be very slow and inconsistent. Around month 3 to 4, many dental websites start seeing small improvements. Some pages may start appearing in search results. Around month 5 to 6, rankings usually become more stable. Some treatment pages may start bringing in visitors, right? Visitors. Between 6 to 12 months, many dental websites start to see meaningful SEO results. This is when patient traffic starts increasing, right? So it's a long game. Expectation reset. SEO, which is search engine optimization, it's not necessarily ads, right? Where you start seeing results quickly. So it's not like you just run ads now and you see if your website is performing well or not, right? You're getting traffic differently. And in this way, we're playing the long game, as I said. But once rankings improve, they can bring in patients consistently without you paying for every click like you would do with running paid ads. So a well-built dental website can rank much faster than most dentists expect. But the key is building the website correctly from the start. If you're a dentist and you want a website designed to rank and attract patients, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one.